Where summer ends, fall begins. It's the season of gathering, of celebrating, of creating comfort and warmth for the ones you love. It's time to harvest your creative energy with our latest License to Create projects coming this fall by Embellish and Hope Yoder. Just as the autumn landscape changes in preparation for the winter chill, we stockpiled our Autumn Home Big Blue Box with original projects to infuse your home with warmth. Enroll for this season and you'll receive all Embellish products needed to make 8 amazing projects. Your kit includes an easy-to-follow manual to use while your instructor guides you. Here's what you can make. With abundant seasonal produce, fall is the time for hearty autumn recipes and meals. Get started in the kitchen with this festive and useful apron, and outfit your adorable little helper with this matching apron for kids. As your kitchen warms up with activity, you'll need these super-duper mini oven mitts. Choose from multiple designs. No home kitchen is complete without tea towels. Get into the fall spirit with these designs. And you'll learn a unique method to make sure that they never fall on the floor. Mason jars have been used for decades to preserve the autumn harvest, and now they can also be used to preserve memories and traditions. Make yours memorable with these mason jar gift lids. And you can really help your gift endure with this reusable mason jar carrying bag. Cooler days means it's time to enjoy hot drinks again. Keep hands comfortable with these toasty cozy drink sleeves. Whether you are planning gatherings of many or few, be sure to make them all special. It's the season of pies, pies, pies. Keep yours snug and fashionable with these easy as pie carriers. The dining and serving tables are the center of any reunion. Give yours warmth with this gather around table runner. Give your dishes a cozy home with this classic autumn rise and shine placemat. Your kit provides you with multiple designs for you to customize to give as gifts to your friends and loved ones. Just reach out to your Embellish dealer for additional parts and materials. Not only can you show your friends and family how much you care, you'll also learn amazing techniques that last a lifetime. There's no better time than the fall to create. Join us for our Autumn Home License to Create program and contact us today.